Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you the Zowill door lock programming instructions step by step. So before programming anything, the Zowill lock needs to learn whether your door opens left or whether it opens right. So first of all, you need to keep the door open and unlocked. After doing so, you need to simply insert the batteries while holding the reset button. So keep holding until you hear a long beep, and you can also watch the deadbolt move automatically. This is going to basically very important step because the lock uses it to memorize the bolt direction. Now simply wake up the keypad, and then you just have to simply press this particular Zowill button twice. Then you just have to press it once more. After that, you need to simply enter the default master code, which is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8, and the keypad should flash green, meaning that the programming code is now active. Now you need to simply press 1, and then you need to start entering your new master code. After that, you need to enter it one more time in order to confirm it. If it is successful, the keypad flashes green and the lock is also going to save the new master code instantly. So that's how you can basically do it. If you want to add your own user pin, you can also go ahead and do so. So you need to simply go back into the programming mode using the new master code, and this time you just have to simply press 2. Then you need to enter your new user code, and then you need to confirm it again. Now most of the Zowill lock supports multiple user codes, one-time guest codes, and auto lock features depending on the model. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.